What's up YouTube, it's your boy Justin back with another video. Thank y'all for tuning to this special video. If you're new to the channel right here, please hit the subscribe button, hit that like button. I upload every week over like sneaker reviews, styling tips. I got it all, you don't want to miss out. So if I was you, I would go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. But in today's video, I got a special video for y'all. Today I'll be showing y'all how to do a sleeveless graphic tee. As y'all see I get on, I did this myself. You got some old graphic tees in there that's dope, but you just don't really wear them no more. And this right now, this sleeveless tee is in style now. If y'all seen it, most even designers even going to the sleeveless graphic tees, such as Gallery Department, all other brands. So definitely this is a trend that's going on this summer. If y'all haven't seen them, a lot of celebrities been wearing them also. So if you having some old graphic tees or maybe some new ones, you want this sleeveless one, even if you want it crop, I'm gonna show y'all in this today's video. But before I get to going and showing y'all what shirts I'm gonna do, I need you please to hit that like button for me, hit the subscribe, comment below any questions, anything like that. Y'all just let me know in the comment section below, please. Y'all follow my social media platforms at Styling Tips videos on TikTok, Instagram, I got it all. So y'all want to follow me on my other Instagram platforms. My clothing brand will be dropping soon, so still be on the lookout for that. I am still working on it, so y'all definitely still on the lookout for that. But today I'll be showing you how to do the sleeveless crop t-shirts. And today I have two t-shirts. So this one right here, this one is already kind of cropped. It's an old graphic t-shirt, Boohoo Man graphic t-shirt. It's already kind of crop looking, but I'm gonna do a sleeveless on this one. Recently did this one, like I said, the one I got on, as y'all can see. If y'all like it, appreciate it. I think it's pretty dope. This shirt actually had like a thick collar on there. I even cut the collar and it still gave it like a distressed look, and I like that. I think that's pretty dope. So like I said, this is kind of trendy now in the summer, so I'm gonna be showing y'all how to do it. Simple, easy, quick. You don't need no sewing machine. If you really want to get into depth and have good stitching, get a sewing machine. But this is, you don't need no sewing machine. You just need two items: a graphic tee and a pair of scissors. That's all you need in this video. So I'm gonna be showing y'all, and I'm gonna be putting on the shirt so I can show how it look. And let's get it. You want to start laying your shirt flat on the ground. It's best to iron and get it flat as possible. And make sure I do 2 fingers width under the armpit of the sleeve, and I go and just cut like a little slit just to, like, you know, get a marking right there and try to match it up towards the other side of the sleeve, because you don't want uneven sleeveless on your shirt. So make sure you get both of them the same length. This is really optional. I've seen some people just start right under the armpit and just cut out like the outline of the sleeve of the shirt. But me, I like to have it like a little room under there, so it won't look just like you literally just cut the sleeves off. So I'll go down a little further. It's optional. You can do 2 fingers width, even longer, or you can just do just the actual sleeve. But me, I do 2 finger width below the armpit of the shirt. Then I just cut directly up then into the seam of the shirt, as you can see, and I just follow that line around the seam of the shirt all the way up to the shoulder, and just follow that line. It's like a guideline. They don't think about it too much, y'all. Just go ahead and just cut right up into the shoulder and cut off that sleeve, and you have a perfect sleeveless shirt. So I'm gonna do this side and I'm gonna do the other side, and y'all gonna see the finished product. Want your sleeveless shirt well made, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, you can like crop the shirt, just cut straight across the bottom of the shirt, and you can also get like a sewing machine and you just fold the shirt just a little bit on the edge, sew it up, and then, you know, you won't have that like this stress look on the sleeveless of your shirt also at the bottom. But me, I'm just gonna do the simple, easy, quick way for the people that don't have a sewing machine. I can do it if y'all want a part 2 of me doing it, you know, with the sewing machine and also cropping it. Like this video, comment y'all want to see part 2, and I will do a part 2 of this, cropping the t-shirt and everything like that.